Welcome back, Gearshifters. We are in South Beach, Miami. I'm with my friend Piyo. He is from Japan. He rented a Sportster last night, and we're going to ride down to Key West for lunch.
So I've been in Miami for a few days, and each morning I have spent walking down 11th Street to the beach to do a sunrise swim. But this morning, instead of a sunrise swim, we ride to Key West for lunch. We're going to go to Blue Heaven and get some key lime pie. This is the first time that Piyo has been to Miami and the first time that he's ridden a motorcycle in the United States. Piyo speaks very little English and I don't speak any Japanese. For our meeting, he had an interpreter, but she does not ride. So we're gonna use Google Translate and international motorcycle hand signals to be able to communicate all day. Awesome. It's going to be so much fun. But down in the Keys, there are some spots where there's no service. So it's going to be interesting. Stayed at the Mondrian Hotel, and it's been an absolute awesome stay. But when I first arrived, after coming from North Carolina, I pulled up, super happy to be there. I was greeted with oh, we don't accept motorcycles. Instead of losing it and freaking out, I kept my cool and was able to negotiate being able to stay to get a bottle of Prosecco. So that was really, really, really nice. We are getting into morning traffic. Headed right into Miami. But once we get there, I think we're hanging a left. There are so many cruise ships. It's going to be a nice day. It's going to be in the 70s, overcast. A little bit of cloud coverage, since it's warm enough, is actually going to make the ride even more pleasant in my opinion. It should be a dry day. But look at all the cruise ships. That's a Royal Caribbean. There's a Norwegian ship. It says Norwegian Pearl. Never been on a cruise. It's not something I'm actually attracted to or have really any desire to do. Might like to do one of those like small river cruises that they do in Europe. But getting on a boat or a ship that large with that many people, not really my idea of a good time. It's 3.5 hours down. And after we have lunch, we're going to head back. So we're going to be taking that exit. Now, Piyo has a lot of experience riding. He's been riding since he was 16 years old. And at one point, he raced enduro and motocross. And at one point, he owned a motorcycle shop in Japan. Uh-oh. Oh. I made a mistake. All right, we're going into downtown. So we're gonna have to turn around. I'm just really glad that I didn't put us right into a traffic jam. Fortunately, it's still early enough. Perfect. That's good. Yeah.
Thanks for riding along. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. See you next time.